Hello everybody, how are you? Today we'll solve questions from المعاصر book. We will talk about dynamic. Question number 1. A locomotive whose power is 300 horse pulls the train with a maximum velocity is magnitude is 54 km per hour. He gives us this information. The power 300 horse, we must convert from horse to kilogram meter per second by multiplication by 75 and give the velocity 54 km per hour. We must multiplication by 5 over 18 to convert to meter per second. And it tells us on horizontal ground. Horizontal meaning F equal R. The force equal R. Okay, we can get the force here by this information. Power equal F multiplication by V. The force multiplication by velocity. We will put here the power 300 multiplication by 75 here equal force times velocity 15 here, and divided 375 by 15 equal 1500. We will get here the force equal 1500. And then he tells us here if the mass of the train and the locomotive together is 150 ton, it's the weight. Then find the maximum velocity in which train ascends. Ascends meaning going up to the horizontal, or the train ascends road including the horizontal of angle here sin theta equal 1 over 150 is distance is the same on those. He tells us the distance R equality here equal R here equal 1500. We know F dash equal mg multiplication sin theta plus R. Then F dash equal the weight here 150 kilogram by convert from 10 to kilogram multiplication by 1000. He give us this information here. The weight 150 ton. We must convert it from 10 to kilogram by multiplication by 1000. Multiplication sin theta 1 over 150. We write here the weight 150 multiplication 10 power 3. Don't write mg because F dash here we want to find F dash, and we have R here. R is versus to distance by kilogram weight meter per second. It's the power, and the weight here kilogram weight. Don't write 9.8 here. Then F dash we can find the result by the calculator. The result will be F dash, the new force, will be 2500 kilogram weight. It's F dash. And he tell us find the velocity in which the train ascends. He asked about the velocity here. We can using the power is rule, the power equal F dash multiplication by V dash. We know the power 300 horse, it's meaning 375. Don't change the power. Then you can write the power 300 multiplication by 75 equal F dash. We get us here 2500 multiplication by V dash. Then you can divide it by 2500 to get V dash. The result will be what? The result will be 9 meter per second. Okay, understood? Again, a locomotive whose power, he give us the power 300 horse. We must convert from horse to kilogram meter per second by multiplication by 75. And give velocity kilometer per hour, convert it to meter per second by multiplication by 5 over 18. And then he give us this information in horizontal, it's meaning F equal R. F equal R, then we can write here the rule B equal F multiplication by V. It's the rule about power. The power equal F multiplication by V. The power 500 or 300 times 75 equal F multiplication by 15. Then the force in the horizontal here will be equal R. Then R will be 1500 is the force. Okay, look at this information, then find the maximum velocity. Maximum velocity in the train ascending. It's meaning we haven't acceleration in the horizontal, which horizontal here, making angle theta and sine this angle 100 over 1 over 150. And he tells us the distance is the same the root. The distance here don't change about the horizontal or the horizontal which make angle here theta and sine this angle was 150 and 1 in the numerator and 1 here 1 over 150 in sine theta. Okay, then f dash equal mg sine theta plus r. When you find f dash, we must put m equal 150 multiplication 10 power 3. Don't write 9.8 because the unit here we don't use here Newton. We used here kilogram weight. Kilogram weight, it's meaning R will be 1500 kilogram weight, and the weight here must be kilogram weight. Don't write Newton. If you put or convert this to Newton multiplication by 9.8, you must convert the weight here, mg times sine theta. But he tell us in the example the power was 300 horse, and we convert from horse to kilogram weight meter per second by multiplication by 75. If you want to convert from this weight horse to Newton, you must multiplication by 735. But in this example, I convert it from horse to kilogram weight meter per second. Then the weight here, m sine theta. Don't write g here when you find the result. If you put m multiplication by g here 9.8, the result will be false. Okay, pay attention about this step. And then we will write r equality. He tell us here, look at here, if the distance is the same on the both roots, it's meaning r in the horizontal equal r in this horizontal, which beginning or making angle theta degree by the horizontal here. Okay, then f dash will be 2500 kilogram weight, and then you can find a new velocity in this straight line here, which line or making angle theta with the horizontal. F dash here equal m sine theta r, and f just 2500, and we can find here f v dash because b equal f dash multiplication v dash will be equal 9 meter per second.